Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the tool and selecting the element you want to change. Once done, choose the eyedropper or switch to hex/RGB input so you control exact values. You'll want snapping or sampling enabled for precision. That reduces guesswork. Make sure your document uses the correct color space, sRGB for web. This sets a reliable baseline so subsequent adjustments remain consistent across devices and export formats. Now pick a color and refine it. You can sample from an image or paste a hex code, then tweak hue and saturation to match your intent. Once you alter lightness or opacity, check contrast against backgrounds. Higher contrast improves readability. Use preview modes and zoom to ensure details hold at different sizes. If you need brand consistency, record hex/RGB and save swatches. That way, you reproduce exact colors across components and exports. Apply the final color to your element and test it in context. Viewing on different background tones reveals usability issues. Export your swatch palette or copy hex/RGB so developers can implement it precisely. If colors look off later, compare color profiles and gamma settings. Mismatches between sRGB and other profiles cause shifts. Also verify browser or app rendering and clear caches. If sampling fails, recalibrate your display or resample from a high-quality source for accurate results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.